Over the last couple years, we've been to a lot of RV rallies.
But this one turned into something we never expected. Because what started as a simple mix-up ended with an entire community coming together to make a difference. Check out the video.
With a heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Hey, free roamers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean.
And I'm Billy.
And we're free to roam. After leaving the Alliance factory with our repairs done, we headed to Kentucky.
Man, I was so fascinated with everything east because I have never been east of Nebraska in anything other than an airplane. So driving in new areas that I'd never seen was just, it's like seeing it for the first time for Sean too. We're crossing huge rivers that you can put a barge down. I've never seen a river that big. I think it was the Ohio River we crossed the Mississippi River. Just fascinating for me because I'd never seen any of it.
She hasn't made fun of me, but she's always appreciated me enjoying the Western culture and history because we spend a lot of time out west, which I didn't do as a kid. So now the roles are kind of reversed because we're heading back toward my part of the country that I sort of not really took for granted, but are more familiar with. And now Billy's eyes are wide.
All right, we just crossed over the state line. We're on the Ronald Reagan Highway in Kentucky, y'all. We got about 150 miles left to go to the Farm RV Resort. But we're in Kentucky. We briefly crossed over to Ohio, back into Indiana, and now we're in Kentucky again. Just crossed the Ohio River. It was huge and muddy. We're going to meet up with some of our friends that are already there and then ready for the rally. How's the travel day been?
I'm hurting today. I don't know why. I'm just sore, but and windy. Maybe it's fighting the wind.
It's been a shorter travel day than we're used to, but still Sean's ready to be done.
Arriving at the Farm RV Resort on the left.
Get out and I'll guide you.
Okay.
I got my radio. You know, we've talked before about we don't go to rallies necessarily for the seminars or whatever. We go to rallies to see our friends and to meet new friends.
Yeah, there's a lot of people that we've talked to either just on Facebook or YouTube comments or things like that. But when you get to a rally and you get to actually look them in the eye, shake their hand, and meet them, it's the best part of the experience.
Oh yeah, so getting to London and seeing our old friends plus meeting new friends was so exciting, you guys. I had a blast. By the end of the first day, I think we already felt like we were with our family again.
Yeah, it was like a whole new batch of family.
Okay, we're headed over to the pavilion to get our welcome bags for RVing in London.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool. There's a small crowd over there already getting signed in. So
seeing a bunch of our favorites, old friends, new friends. It's already looking like going to be a good rally.
Yeah,
so
pretty epic turnout.
Let's go.
Hey, it's weird. We have Kevin and Larika with us.
Oh,
It's almost like a YouTuber parade.
Is it a YouTube extravaganza?
It is, and it's extravaganza.
It's extravaganza. Thank you for the alligator.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Alligator Souther Campers. That's the very first one I've ever got.
Is that right? Oh,
Yeah.
good deal. This is life imitating art, imitating life.
Hold on, also. Where is it? There it is.
Oh my God, it's Chris from White Wheat.
I wanted. I haven't seen you guys in forever. So when you meet people,
Again, we're everywhere we go.
We went through the check-in line. We got some liquid shine and some liquid Tide.
Oh yeah.
With other goodies in my bag that I will show you here in a minute. It's looking pretty good there, Bruce. Look at that. That is a pot of...
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. We got salads. We got bread. You know, we get asked a lot because this has been the year of rallies. We get asked a lot by people, why do you go to so many rallies? And we've said it time and time again. Rallies are about the people.
Oh yeah. You know, we've talked about it before. People will say that living on the road can be lonely, but we think that that's self-inflicted. And you know, if you put yourself out there at a rally, you're definitely going to meet people and make new friends.
If you go to a rally, you're going to meet new friends, whether it be your neighbor or whether it be the guy across the way that also has an Air Force flag or that also has an Alliance or a beacon. Our friends Kevin and Larika from Retired Road Tripping have a Van Lee beacon, and it is made by Tiffin, believe it or not. They're the first ones and only ones I had ever seen. But lo and behold, when they got to London, the Farm RV Resort in London, there was what, like 3 more of them?
Yeah.
You will find something in common with someone else at a rally. Just get out there and do it.
One, two, three. Woo! Darling, darling, you never even call me by my name, and you don't have to call me Charlie Brown. They're parking cars in the old bean patch, and the bar in the barn, and the place stays packed. Extreme, rock a mic like a vandal, light up the stage like a jump like a candle, dance.
Hey everybody, we are here at the Farm RV Resort in London, Kentucky.
Yes, we are.
We're at the RVing in London rally, and we are having a freaking blast. Our voices are scratchy because we did karaoke way into the morning.
I don't smoke. I did not smoke. This is just
singing.
Wore out voice.
We're having a great time. We'll show you guys a little bit about the rally, but this isn't our rally. We're not hosting it, so we're just trying to enjoy ourselves. We are meeting so many new people, which is awesome.
Oh yeah, it has been. I don't know. It's a great time.
It is. So we'll, fill you guys in on what happened here and what we did, but we just wanted to check in. So we're gonna go enjoy the pool.
I'm gonna hit the water slide.
Right here, I believe it's half of the converse. Let's hear it if you like this costume right here. Woo! I'm eastbound with Macho Bandit Run.
no time to get there. On eastbound, just watch your bandit run. Caroline, bum, bum, bum. Cause the flag still stands for freedom. And I'm proud to be an American. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me.
So we're having a great time and we're enjoying the rally. You know, it's not our rally, we're not hosting it, so we're relaxing. We're enjoying the pool and our friends and karaoke. But then, you guys, something happened that nobody saw coming.
No, this rally could have taken a terrible turn.
Now, when you signed up for the rally, you gave your shirt size because Blue Technology was going to sponsor t-shirts for the rally. It said RVing in London on the front and BlueTech on the back. But there was some kind of a mix-up with the t-shirt company, and they only sent about a third of the t-shirts to the hosts of the rally. So the hosts came together and they had a meeting and they decided, let's turn this into something good. Let's sell the t-shirts we have for a donation only. You could donate $2 or you could donate $100 for a shirt, because the money they raised from this mix-up was going to go to a charity.
So instead of being upset, potentially, people really latched onto the idea that, you know, we can turn something bad into something good, which happens at a rally more often than you would think.
So the hosts didn't really know what kind of a charity they were going to donate to, but I think someone approached them and mentioned the RV deployment that we co-hosted with our friends and how we donated to a charity, and we raised quite a bit of money for a charity. Chris from Why Wait came to us and he said, hey, I heard about this charity, Warrior's Heart. What is it? So we told him our story, we explained what Warrior's Heart is, how they help first responders, veterans, active duty military. He was like, wow, I didn't know that was out there, but yes, that's the charity we want to donate to. He took it back to the other hosts and they decided unanimously, that's what we're going to donate. Any money we get from the t-shirts. Chris approached Sean and he said, hey, do you mind telling your story, or, you know, at least talking a little bit about Warrior's Heart to the rally so that everybody understands what's going on? Sean said, of course.
If you're new here, you can go back and check out some of our videos that we talk about Warrior's Heart and frontline healing. But basically, Warrior's Heart is the treatment facility specifically for veterans and first responders. It helps with PTSD, addiction issues, and anything that, you know, warriors are dealing with. Near and dear to our heart, we had a personal connection, and we were able to share that with the hosts and the attendees at RVing in London rally, because they needed a place to send this money that they were going to ultimately collect.
Yeah. So I think just by t-shirt sales alone, you guys, I think they were able to raise like $2,000 or something, over $2,000. And that was great. Any money that can go to frontline healing and Warrior's Heart is just mind-blowing to us, and we're so grateful to be a part of that. Like I said, Blue Technology was going to sponsor these t-shirts, and they felt bad. It was not their fault that the t-shirts didn't arrive. It was nobody's blame. BlueTech is a veteran-owned company. So they stepped up and they said, you know what? We're going to donate something. Blue Technology has a special edition system for America 250. They only made 100 of them. They're beautiful. They're painted up with American flag, red, white, and blue, and they're gorgeous. So they decided that they wanted to donate one to the rally that they could auction off to raise more money for frontline healing and Warrior's Heart. When Chris announced this at the rally, I mean, everybody was just so excited because he had a picture of it. Nobody had seen the system yet, right? It's brand new.
You and I had.
We had seen the system because we were getting one, but nobody else had seen the system. So it was really...
it's truly a limited edition USA 250 system.
Yeah, like we got number 2.
We have number 2
of 100 signed by the CEO. On the last night, they did music bingo and some other stuff, and they decided to give away all the prizes. At the same time, they decided to do a live auction for the BlueTech
America 250 Special Edition AR3 filtration system.
So they started the auction, and, you know, bidding started out pretty fast. I thought I might even bid on it just to try to get somebody to bid, because
we were getting one, so we didn't really need it, but we thought, man, if we could get another one
to give away,
then we'd do a giveaway and, you know, turn it over again. But
I didn't need to bid, you guys, because it started fast and it got up well over $1,000 quickly.
Oh, yeah.
The cool thing, you guys, The people that won the auction, that won the bid, are Rugged Red Solar. They're a company that do solar installs, and he is actually a veteran as well, you guys. The total that they ended up raising for the rally to donate to Frontline Healing and Warriors Heart was what, well over $4,000?
It was over $4,000, yeah. On something that wasn't even planned to be a part of the rally.
A mess up turned into a donation of over $4,000.
That's just a community that we're in.
Let that sink in, you guys. Let it sink in. We didn't expect that. We thought we're coming to a rally to see some friends and enjoy the pool and do some karaoke, and guess what?
We did all that.
But this happened. Nobody saw it coming. Nobody expected it.
Right now, thanks to you guys, we're at $2,431. I might have to take a minute back here. We're up to $1,350 in the back. $1,350. $1,400. $1,425 going 3 times sold.
You know, I think all in all, the RVing in London rally, the takeaway is going to be the old friends we got to hang out with, the new friends we got to meet, and just being a part of that community. I'm sure we'll remember the fun and the games and the karaoke and the friends we met at the RVing in London rally. But what we're going to remember the most, you guys, is how we had a small part in inspiring a group of people come together to help veterans and first responders.
No surprise for Free to Roam, right?
No. It's very rewarding, you guys, and we are so blessed to be a part of this community. Thanks for tuning in again, you guys. Until next week, safe travels. We'll see you out there.
Heart full of freedom, we greet each day free to. Oh, can't you see?